Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are modern arc logo designs. Just need to extract it. The downloading link is in the description. You just need to click this link and you will come to this website, bulk GFX modern art logo design, or you can simply open bulk GFX and search from here modern arc design logos, and here you can download from here. And this is our Facebook page, our email and our phone number. You can contact us, and you can easily download from here. And this is WinRAR file, so you need to extract it. And these are elements, black, illustrator format, PNG and SVG. These are in black color. These are PNG files. This is a black color, so you are not visible here. And same thing available in SVG. You can check this, and this is black color and this is in white color, same things but in white color. You can check this, and same thing in SVG format. I think I downloaded. Okay, so these are logo designs, black, SVG, color. These are colorful, and SVG. You can check this. And these are white, same data but in white color, and SVG format and illustrator. You can check it. You just need to open it. And so I hope this data is quite useful for you. If you find it informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel, also like this video, and take care.